So this video is going to walk you through the process of adding the bail bond calculator to your website. In order to generate the code that you need for your custom bail bond calculator, you want to go to aboutbail.com/calculator. Once you get here, it's a pretty simple process. The main section that you want to focus on is step 1 here, where it talks about building your bail bond calculator. The first thing that you want to do, let's say you have a flat fee that you charge for a bail amount up to a certain dollar amount. So in this instance, we'll say that for every bond that is $1,000 or less, we always charge $500. That's just an example. Then from there, we can get into our percentage tiers. So let's say that from $1,000 to $10,000, we always charge 12%. And we can add additional tiers as well. Maybe in this example, for anything up to $100,000, so from $10,001 to $100,000, we charge 10%. And you can keep adding tiers if you like, or remove tiers. But this is really the main section of the calculator where you're plugging in your custom data. You do want to make sure that you have your company name in here. Same with your company phone number. Then you just want to add your email and your website. And then you can preview its functionality before you actually generate the code. So I just want to make sure this is working. I'm going to plug in $8,000 here, and it looks like it's multiplying that by 12%. So I'm assuming it is working correctly. And the last thing I want to do is I want to generate the code. And this is what I plug into the HTML of either my homepage or a blog post or somewhere on my site that my clients are going to see the calculator and be able to perform the same calculation that we tested over here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this code, and I already have the blog post that I'm working on open in a screen over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug this into my HTML. Some of you that are using WordPress or some other custom content management system, you'll have the ability to go into the HTML of a page and modify that HTML. So I just took that code from the About Bail page and I'm plugging it into our content management system, which is where I'm creating our blog post here. And then I'm going to just save this. Then I'm going to go to the blog post that I'm working on here, and if I scroll down, I can see that I've successfully added the bail calculator to my page here. I'm just going to give it a quick test to make sure that it's working properly, and it looks like it is. It's pretty easy to add this to your site. One thing that you will notice when you add it to your site is it probably will adopt some of the fonts that you're already using on your website, and it's also going to scale to fit the size of the area where you're placing the code. So in this case, it spans the entire width of the column that I'm putting it in here. If you ever need assistance in putting the bail calculator on your website, you can always give us a call. Our number is 866-411-2245. We'd be happy to help, or shoot us an email at info@aboutbail.com, and we'd be more than happy to assist you.